Hello everybody, my name is Ishwar Voivich. In this video presentation, I'm going to explain you what I have contributed to the team project. In this video presentation, I have used this PowerPoint presentation and Jupyter Notebook file or code. You can see I divided my part in this team project into three. First of all, I analyzed the comparison of LIMU and the literacy rates. Secondly, PISA performance levels in the science, math, and readings, and digital device usage for education purposes. This can help us build innovation in education. As for the mention, this is our project topic. You can see. So in the first part of my analysis, I concentrate on the researchers and also literacy rates across countries because this can evaluate the conditions and opportunities for the talented creative people who can do the creative work to solve the real world problems. So for this, I collected two data sets and put them into Jupyter Notebook and coded them, and I got this chart. So you can see here the literacy rates chart and researcher charts for the countries. So here you can see the lines relevant to the following countries. So in this the second section, I concentrate on the PISA performance levels in science, math, and readings. PISA stands for the Program for International Students Assessments, and this program can help us how the pupils can use their reading, math, and their science skills for real-world problem solving. So here, for this data, I collected the OAS and CD data sets, and I got this pictogram in four. This explained you the distribution of average scores across countries for men versus women. So as for the coding, you can see this data is how I got this data. And so this I just meanwhile I used the libraries and pandas and NumPy. So I used the different functions as well. Here you can see to get this researchers and literacy rates data. So and I also compared the mean math performance across countries and mean science performance across countries by using the bar charts that is taken uh, in this section of my Jupyter Notebook code. Here you can see. And finally, I want to see the digital device used by students for practicing and drilling across Germany and Hong Kong is the one of the way how I evaluate the innovation in these countries. So, and this data was taken from this data set. So, and this code as well. All right. Thank you for your attention. That's all I can tell you right now.
Let's continue with the part which has been done by me. For doing this visualization, I have used the functions like NumPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas from Jupyter Notebook. I have put this data in Jupyter Notebook with the use of pdreadcsv function. And as far as you see, this is our main table about the informations in sales growth, market capital, in dollars, or company revenue. And this is a visualization about this table. And from where we can see the Apple is the most competitive company, while Huawei and Siemens is the most competitive companies in Germany and China. So continuing with another data set about the race of companies. Which company has most higher revenue annually? And this is Apple and Huawei that has risen after 2010. Continuing with mobile cellular subscription, as the human's main mission is making communication, and we cannot imagine our life without communication, and all these high-tech companies is the tool for making our communication easier. I thought that our story wouldn't be fully finished without this data, and all of them started from 1995 and 2000 years, while mobile cellular subscription started to rise. And in this part of our project, the China has the most highest amount. So this is a paragraph of that data. Thanks for your attention, and thanks for our instructor.
Hi everyone, let's start with me. I'm using Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas, and I create a table, line graph, and also separate line graph. And I find the data, the information from official site, as you see. And my graph gives an account of the number of cars produced from 2000 to 2020 in the sales of market in China, Germany, and US. Globally, overall, Ferrari and Porsche show prediction that the number of cars manufactured and cars sold are set to jump or increase sharply at the end of the time surveyed. However, as you see, Tesla on other hand indicate that there will be gradually climb in car production over the whole period. On other hand, Tesla is predicted to illustrate a gradually increase in car production and selling by the end of the period. From 20,000, as you see, Tesla haven't been, and it's estimated that production was zero in 2000, and by 2020 it will be surprised that the other three cars manufactured, ending at around 100,000 cars by 2020. I think that EV cars, electric bicycle, will be top of the manufactured in the future. And also I found and create coding presentation about that. If you want, I can show you as innovation static about manufacturing 3 countries. And is it in China? That's in China. And thank you for attention. That was my project, and have a nice day.